Hello, John. I feel very shy today.
Hello, Jesse. Why do you feel shy, friend?
I can't speak English well. It's hard.
Oh, Jesse, don't worry. You can learn fast.
Really? I want to speak English badly.
Yes, really. We will learn simple English today.
Thank you, John. I am ready to try.
That's the spirit. Let's start with I.
Okay, I. I understand I.
Good. Say, I eat rice. Your turn.
I eat rice. I eat rice. Easy.
Excellent. You say it perfectly. Again.
I eat rice. I eat rice every day.
Fantastic, Jesse. That's a great sentence.
Thank you. What is the next sentence?
I drink water. Say it for me, please.
I drink water. I drink water always.
Very good. You learn so fast, Jesse.
I hope so. My head feels a little tired.
It's okay. Just repeat. It will be natural.
Okay, I drink water. I drink water.
Now, I sleep 8 hours. Repeat that.
I sleep 8 hours. I sleep 8 hours.
Perfect, Jesse. One more time for practice.
I sleep 8 hours. Yes, I do.
You see, it is easy to form sentences.
Yes, a little. I like learning English.
Great. So, I like English. Say it loud.
I like English. I like English very much.
Fantastic, Jesse. You've got the I part.
Next part, John? What are we learning?
Let's use you. Are you ready to try?
Ready. You. I think I can do it.
You learn English. Say it, Jesse.
You learn English. I learn English too.
Yes, you do. Repeat, you learn English again.
You learn English. You learn English here.
Wonderful. How about you speak English well?
You speak English well. You speak well.
Exactly. You speak very well, Jesse.
Thank you, John. I feel much better now.
That's good. Let's move to we.
We. What about we sentences?
We study together. Say it clearly.
We study together. My friends and I.
That's right. Say, we study together again.
We study together. We study every day.
Excellent. You are doing great with we.
Thank you. This is starting to feel fun.
It is fun. Let's try they. Ready?
Okay. They. I will try my best.
They play football. Your turn to say it.
They play football. They play football today.
Good. Say it one more time for me.
They play football. My family plays.
Fantastic. You understand they very well.
Yes, I think so. What comes next, John?
Now for he and she. This is special. Listen.
Okay, I will listen very, very carefully.
He eats rice. Not eat, but eats.
He eats rice. Oh, with an S at the end.
Yes, that's right. He eats rice. Repeat it.
He eats rice. He eats rice every day.
Perfect. Good observation, Jesse. That S is key.
Thank you. This feels a bit tricky for me.
It gets easy with practice. Now try she.
Okay, she. I will remember the S.
She drinks water. Say it for practice.
She drinks water. She drinks water now.
Excellent. Remember to always add the S.
Yes, S for he and she. I remember.
Exactly. You are so smart, Jesse.
Thank you. I feel happy learning this.
Good. Let's try it. It also takes S.
Okay, it. Like a dog or a cat?
Precisely. It runs fast. Your turn.
It runs fast. The cat runs fast.
Superb. You are learning quickly, Jesse.
I like this. It feels much easier now.
You're doing great. Let's practice more verbs.
Okay, I want to practice more, John.
What about he reads books?
He reads books. Yes, reads with S.
Perfect. How about she likes music?
She likes music. My sister likes music too.
Wonderful, Jesse. You are really ready.
Ready for what next, John?
Ready for questions with do and does.
Oh, questions. They always feel so hard.
No, they are easy. Just listen carefully.
Okay, I will listen very, very hard.
Do you like coffee? Your turn.
Do you like coffee? Yes, I do like it.
Great. Say it again. Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. My answer.
Fantastic. Now for questions with he and she.
Okay, for he and she, it's different.
Yes. Does he like tea? Say it, Jessie.
Does he like tea? Oh, does has an S.
Yes, does, not do for he, she, it.
Does he like tea? No, he doesn't like it.
Brilliant. You remember the S for does.
Yes, does has S. That is my hint.
Exactly. How about does she work here?
Does she work here? Yes, she does work.
Wonderful. You are doing so well today.
I feel smarter today. Thank you, John.
You are smart, Jessie. Now, negative sentences.
Negatives? Like saying no to something?
Yes, I don't eat meat. Say it, please.
I don't eat meat. I don't eat chicken.
Good. Don't means do not. It's a short form.
I understand. I don't eat meat. It's clear.
Fantastic. Now for he and she negatives.
Oh, I know this. It's doesn't, right?
You are right. Tell me a sentence with doesn't.
He doesn't like milk. My brother doesn't.
Excellent. You got it completely right, Jessie.
He doesn't like milk. She doesn't sleep much.
Perfect, Jessie. You are learning very fast.
This is amazing. I really can speak.
Yes, you can. You are doing great, really.
I want to make my own sentences now, John.
Wonderful idea. Let's start right away.
Okay, I drink coffee every morning, John.
That's a perfect sentence. Absolutely perfect.
Thank you. What about a sentence with you?
Try it. What do you see me doing?
You teach English. You teach English very well.
That's so kind and very true. Thank you.
We learn new words every day. Is that good?
Yes, it is excellent. Keep going, Jessie.
They play outside now. My neighbors play.
Great use of they. Good job, my friend.
Now for he and she. I need to be careful.
Yes, the tricky ones. Try it. You can do it.
He works in a shop. He works in the city.
Fantastic, Jessie. The S is there. Perfect.
She likes red flowers. My mom likes flowers.
Absolutely perfect. You mastered that tense.
What about a question now? Can I ask?
Go for it. Ask me anything, Jessie.
Do you like to travel, John? Do you travel?
Yes, I do. Excellent question. Very natural.
And does she have a cat? Is that correct?
Perfect. You used does correctly. So proud.
Wow, I am really speaking English now.
You definitely are, Jessie. You have improved so much.
I feel so happy and confident. Thank you.
You're welcome. You worked very hard today.
I was shy, but now I'm not. I feel brave.
That's wonderful to hear. I am so proud.
I can make sentences. I can ask questions.
Yes, you can. You learned a lot today.
I learned I eat, he eats, the S rule.
Yes, the S is super important. Well done.
And do you? And does he for questions?
Exactly. You remember everything we covered.
I will practice English every day now, John.
That's the best plan. Practice helps always.
I will talk to my friends in English too.
Fantastic idea. Speak, speak, speak every day.
John, I can speak English now. It's amazing.
Yes, you can, Jessie. Keep going. Never stop.
Thank you, John. You are truly the best teacher.
You are a great student, Jessie. Very, very good.
Bye, John. See you later for more lessons.
Bye, Jessie. Keep up the good work and smile.